Feeling the summer sizzle? Here's how to cool down and spice up your vacation in 5 easy steps. First stop, the breezy beaches of Malibu. Imagine the waves tickling your toes as surfers catch early morning swells. Next, we jet over to the misty mountains of the Smokies. Picture yourself hiking through cool, whispering forests, the air smelling like fresh pine and adventure. Time for a chill thrill? How about floating in a hot air balloon over the scenic Napa Valley? View vineyards from the sky, sipping on locally sourced grape juice. Not high enough for you? Hit the natural slides at Slide Rock State Park in Arizona. It's like nature's own water park, but cooler. Last, but definitely not least, unwind in the urban oasis of Central Park, New York. Find a shady spot, maybe catch a street performance, or just people watch. Every corner tells a story. So where will you chill this summer? Pack up, dive in, and let the adventures begin.